Hey guys, Chris Valdez with Horizon Consulting Partners. I'm here with Kevin Bishop. He's a franchise owner of Lime Painting of Greenville, South Carolina. Check out his awesome F-150. So if you guys are in the upstate watching that roll around, that's him. Kevin, you had a successful career with the federal government. I met you through my cousin, and you just opened up your business in February of this year. So tell the public a little bit more about Lime Painting, the services you provide, and just your experience on starting your business.
Well, we offer residential and commercial painting. If you have a house, we can do your exterior, we can do your interior. If you've got any stains, we're happy to do that. On the commercial side, we do buildings, a doctor's office, lawyer's office, you name it. We'll do pretty much anything on the commercial side. The biggest issue with the paint job is to protect your business, to protect your investment, to protect your home. It's basically in the surface and coatings industry. You know, for many of us, our home is our most valuable asset, and a new coat of paint does wonder. Not only makes it look beautiful, but it protects the value of your home. So we just love being part of this community, Chris. We're having so much fun. It's so fun to go out and talk to people. And to see the look on a customer's face after you do a good job, there's really nothing better than that. Really brings you great joy.
I know, being now a former franchise owner, dealing with customers and seeing the satisfaction after you take something that was older and you revamp it, really does put a smile on their face. Like most consumers, they want somebody that is reliable, is there, they're going to do a good job. And obviously, Kevin is definitely that. Kevin, what was it like working with Horizon Consulting Partners with me?
Chris has been a great coach. He's talked me through everything. He's a great person to bounce ideas off of. I've always wanted to own my own business, and I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. And I found something in the painting industry. I really like home services. I like fixing stuff. I like making it look beautiful. And Lime has helped coach me along, to be honest with you, and Chris has helped coach me along. And so that's why we're doing this, and we're having some success, and we're having a great time. It's a lot of fun. But Chris is just a good guy. He'll tell you exactly what you need to hear. He's truthful. He tells you the good, the bad. He does exactly what you want a coach to do. And that's not just to blow smoke, to tell you the honest truth. And that's why I truly appreciate what he's done for me.
Thank you. If someone wants to get a hold of you, you're here in the upstate of Greenville, South Carolina, where I'm proud to live at, and so are you. How can they get in contact with you to get an estimate or to learn a little bit more about Lime Painting of Greenville?
A couple of ways. My cell phone, I'm happy to give it out, 864-419-1811. You can go to Lime, L-I-M-E, stands for Love, Integrity, Mission, and Excellence, limepainting.com/Greenville. And then, of course, kbishop@limepainting.com. We look forward to talking to you.
Well, Kev, I appreciate you taking a few minutes to talk to the audience and giving your experience. And you guys are in the painting need here in the upstate. There's a tremendous amount of painters, but they're reliable, they're experts, and they know what they're doing. So this is a professional company. It's not a man in the truck. This is a national company. So give Kevin a call. He's the franchise owner of the upstate, and you know, they're doing incredible jobs already here locally. So support local business, and you have somebody who's well insured and cares about your success and your project. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.